Hi, I'm Brian Palfreyman, Product Manager at Domino. We're delighted to demonstrate this exciting new digital foiling application using the Domino K600i. This demonstrates the combination of a highly reflective material, a metallic foil, with UV curable digital inkjet printing. Cold foiling is an established process in the analog world, and today we are now bringing this into the digital age. The two key applications for this innovative solution are, firstly, the security market. For brand protection and traceability, this is a unique solution which combines printing of variable content and customized holographic foil. This increases the complexity, providing heightened levels of security, and is extremely difficult to replicate. It provides an excellent, cost-effective anti-counterfeiting measure. The second area for this innovative application is decorative embellishment. This is a highly efficient, low-cost method of applying foil for decorative applications in pharma, high-end cosmetics, food and beverage, packaging, and particularly digital wine labeling. We are demonstrating here a roll-to-roll solution using, in this application, a 330 millimeters wide web. We unwind the media, rolls forward to the K600, which is here. The K600 in this particular instance is a 4-head device which allows us to lay down an image or a pattern up to 445 millimeters wide. The K600 itself can be 108 millimeters all the way up to 558 millimeters wide. It is a scalable modular solution. In this configuration we're laying down a UV adhesive in the shape or the pattern of the graphics or the data or the image that is to be foiled. The foiling takes place at the next station here. We have the media running underneath with the adhesive already applied. The foil is then laminated to the surface of the substrate and the adhesive cured by this UV lamp here. At this point the adhesive is cured, the lamination of the foil becomes one with the substrate. Any part of the foil that's not had any adhesive on it is delaminated from the substrate and rewound here, leaving on the substrate the image of the data or the graphics or the information that we needed to be foiled. And here we can see the finished product. What is interesting to see with this innovative process is the extremely good edge definition, the quality of the lines that we can achieve with this process.
Hi, I'm Matt Burton from AB Graphic. AB Graphic International are the global market leader for narrow web finishing. We provide finishing solutions for a wide range of printing technologies. ABG have a lot of experience in integrating inkjet solutions to our web handling systems. Historically, this has primarily been monochrome inkjet solutions where web tension and control is critical for good print quality. Here we are providing the web transportation system for the K600 cold foil application. Our line is configured with an unwind, dedicated base for the K600, cold foil lamination assembly, UV curing, inspection and rewind device. This solution is available on a wide range of converting and finishing equipment from ABG, including our Digicon range. With the digital foiling technology from Domino and ABG, there is now a new solution for adding variable information, personalization and security features for labels and packaging.